Hello everyone and welcome to a video today. I'm going to be doing a video thing on jailbreak. So today we're going to be a policeman. So we're in this area. It's a helicopter up there. Don't believe that is. But I'm just going to explain how you start off in this game. So these things are all free. These things just pay with Robux and stuff. So there's that gun there. But also there's that. Oh, this is a better gun. You've not got a good armour and everything. You even have a shield so you can protect yourself from shooting and stuff like that. But there is other places where you can get guns that are just as awesome and I can now look like a proper policeman. Yeah. Okay, so if you see police, if you see other people, so like let's say robber or criminal, you can't be a person in this game. That's why it's called jailbreak. It's break from jail. There's no one up there. There's no car. Oh, okay, there's a car down there. I'm going to go looking for my car. Oh, I know where it is. We're going to go and get my really good car. Yeah, now, if you're a policeman, there used to be certain cars, so there used to be police cars, and then there used to be normal cars. Now, so say if you jump in any car, it will put police sirens on it. I know you just saw Robert, don't worry, I'm ignoring him because I want to get this done. I'm going the wrong way, but I have to find a different way. Yeah, basically we're trying to find the train. There it is. I'm going to find that train. That is the train you can rob from. People, it's more likely to rob now. You really need to look for that train because more people started robbing from it. And yeah, more people started robbing from it, so it's a lot more intense, I say. Oh, hello, man. Run. If I had had this problem, then I probably would have caught up with that train to knock me off the track. Oh, come on. No, we're not gonna hit it. Okay, so let's go down to the other end of the line because it's normally. Let's just watch it all go through first. See if any doors have been opened. Yeah, see if any doors have been opened or anything. If you see, oh, that's been opened. Oh, wow. I jumped out my car and then it told to move here. Oh, yeah, that bike's quite good, but I haven't got enough money for it at the moment, do you? Yeah. So just go into the car. It's just about to go in, then you move it like in the car. You normally get teleported out the way. You normally get teleported back into the car. I'm just gonna get distracted on my way up there on purpose. We can catch people in the act, not following the train and turning around the corner and suddenly going, oh no, there's a train there, and probably getting killed by it, or the car sends flying, and you don't want that. Sorry, that's my brother. Being a bit of a... Oh, hello. Put him down there, Daniel. So yeah, if you find gun, good. Oh, I've already got that gun. I've already got that gun as well. And I've already got most guns. So oh, is there someone there? Someone just arrested. Taser. He just disappeared. Where did he go?
There's a secret place.
This is one of the things. Oh, shoot! I'm gonna die. Sorry.
I didn't know that. Go in there. Go in the secret place.
I'm running for my life. I don't know where that guy is. He's... Okay, let's go find this train. I hope I don't turn the corner. It's suddenly there, and then everything goes wrong because I climbed with it, and if it suddenly climbs with no my train. So here's the train. Oh, whoa.
Wow.
Okay, this shouldn't have happened, but hey.
It's
Oh.
actually going on YouTube.
Yeah, that was not meant to happen. I don't even know why. Oh, yay. It's a fly helicopter. No, I don't want to fly helicopter. Well, I'm doing one. Yeah.
Actually doing a YouTube video.
Oh, there's a robber. Oh, there's the train. I'm not doing it. It's not on 9 yet, but like, I'm doing it so it'd be on 9.
So I can watch it.
I suppose so. Yeah, there's most of my videos are out. This is the video of the day. I do 1 video per day, so, or sometimes if it's a weekend, I'll do 2 per day, and I release them on the same day, so they go out on the same day that I film them. So people, yeah. Yeah, just bring your tablet here. So I'm just talking to my brother. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh. Oh no, not again. Come on, quick! Get there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put my car across the track. Oh no, I didn't lock it today. Leave my car across the track. I want to see what happens.
It sounds like quite a boring video.
Stop, and go away!
What? I don't know where that went. Look. Oh look, there's a train there.
Oh, my car!
Sorry everybody, it's so boring.
Joanna!
Although that bit might not be.
Oh, no.
Sorry, Nelly!
Nelly?
Nelly. Oh, Nelly, he came from there. Today you should met Nelly. He's doing a YouTube video. Yeah.
Wait, so these are all my videos I've done so far. Wait, so these ones are the
Look,
top
you're
3.
dying.
No, that's my car.
Wait.
That's the top 3 are the ones, the most recent ones I've done.
Hello, everybody. Bye-bye.
Oh, my car! My car is flying! So we're going to put it somewhere else. Daniel!
Are you kidding? Look, the number this video.
I know! I shouldn't put that one on YouTube. I don't like it. Where is it? It's all over there! My car! This is just stupid. Oh, I'll go through. There's a gun base you can get other guns from. My car's flying. You think it's boring, but other people might not think it's boring. So, they're watching on my other. Yes, because it's a brand. Runner, I only started filming on Tuesday, so.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No. I don't.
Yeah, some of my older ones, my boring ones. Some of my
Boring one. I have 9 views and 1 like.
Yes, but these ones, these new ones, are going to be awesome.
Is that snow?
Wait, where's Teddy?
Why are you traveling?
Teddy.
What?
Teddy. I saw Teddy.
Yeah.
I saw Teddy again. Do it again.
Ages ago.
What is that? It's a flashing car.
What was that?
That was
no,
a video.
literally, you should have seen that.
That was a video I did
That's a
ages
flying
ago.
guinea pig.
No, it was a water bottle challenge.
Filming. Let's be as loud as we can.
Go dive into the water.
Does it take the sound then? as well?
I think everyone's gonna like this. Look, we've I think hopefully we might have just helped you get a load of light.
Oh yeah.
I'm not sure. Should you get a load of likes? Yeah, likes because it's funny. Everyone likes because it's funny.
Oh no!
But I might go now because I'm a
Oh no! I fell in the water.
Yeah, I think people can see that, Luke.
I just say it because you're boring.
Subscribers and
Yes,
your
because-
like.
Because people might not. It's a new. It's a the new videos are new. Like they're gonna be new, so people are gonna like them because they're.
This video is going to be really
Oh,
long
no.
and boring. I would never watch this.
What happens if you were stuck and you didn't know how to play this game and you really wanted to know how to
Because
play?
you're not actually telling them, press W to go forward.
One day.
But, yeah,
And then you show a rubbish example by
Pressing.
exactly. And again.
And again.
And again. Even though you can see.
What down?
Just go away, please, now.
Luke, you do realise you may get a few people who people won't watch because you're like telling them to go away.
No,
Yeah,
no, not
everybody,
you.
go
No.
away.
No,
go
I'm telling my
away.
brothers and sisters to go away, so don't worry.
Don't go away. Trying to go away.
Oh, I worry a lot if they didn't
Everyone,
go away.
just go away.
I would really worry if they didn't go
Yeah,
away.
what's the possible?
No.
Dad.
So, viewers and everyone who ever watching, I'm not telling you to go away. I'm just telling my brothers and sisters to go away because it'll be really annoying, won't they? Yes.
One day going it was. That was on cancel to.
I'm nearly there. It's not. Someone's trying to open the donut shop. Someone's a donut shop. What did they take? Tell me. Okay. Sorry about that calamity and everyone. They're just really not my sister. When I try to do something, they just annoy me. So I'll just, my time's coming over. So I'll do another video sooner or later. But I need to go. I'm just gonna show very quickly something. This is the gun that's the best in the ever game. Look. Quick fire, yeah. Anyway. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye! And sorry about the calamities and everything. Bye!